In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vocals on Beat Suno AI. We'll walk through getting your instrumental into Suno, guiding the vocals with your own lyrics and a clear vocal style prompt, and then choosing the best version Suno generates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a bare beat into a finished idea with singing, rap, hooks, harmonies, or even spoken narration layered right on top. First, open Suno AI in your browser. Log into your account, then click Create. Switch to advanced mode so you can access the full lyric box and the dedicated field for describing the vocal style. Advanced mode gives you more control, which matters a lot for on-beat placement and the overall feel. Next, upload your beat. Choose Upload Audio or Upload Track, then select your instrumental file. Suno typically supports MP3, WAV, and instrumental loops. Use a clean instrumental without a lead vocal so the generated voice has space. If you have options, a well-mixed file at a comfortable level, no clipping, will help Suno analyze transients and groove more accurately. Now add your lyrics. Type or paste them into the lyric box. Keep lines organized in short phrases or verses and hooks so Suno can structure the delivery. You can write for different styles: rap, pop, R&B, rock, or spoken narration. If you're aiming for a memorable chorus, make the hook concise and repeatable. If you're rapping, keep rhythmic syllables tight so the flow snaps to the beat. Describe the vocal style. This is very important. In the style field, tell Suno exactly what you want. Rap vocals for bars and flow, melodic vocals for sung lines and hooks, calm singing for a softer tone, or spoken word narration for a clear, steady delivery. Add a few guiding adjectives like energetic, laid back, gritty, or airy to steer tone and intensity without changing the core step. When you're set, click Create. Suno will analyze the beat, detect the groove, place vocals over it, and generate melody or rap flow automatically. It typically returns two different versions. Listen to both all the way through with attention to timing against the kick and snare, breath placement, and how the hook lands. Pick the one with better timing, cleaner vocals, and a stronger hook. If the vibe is close but not perfect, tweak the lyric phrasing or refine the style description, then generate again to nudge feel and delivery while staying on beat. That's how you add vocals on beat in Suno AI.